Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on an HP Officejet 6812 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from your computer, and everything's just fine, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of something, you start noticing blemishes or lines, anything like that, it's going to indicate that there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So in order to clean it, first you should realize that when you lift up the top of the scanner, you have two pieces of glass. There's the big flat piece of glass, that's going to be your flatbed scanner, and then there's a little strip of glass on the left side of the printer, and that's when you scan documents using the top document feeder. So anytime you're using this top document feeder to scan or copy, it's going to be using this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So in our case, that's when we're noticing most of our problems, is when we're using the document feeder. So that's where we really want to focus. In order to clean the glass, we want to use a lint-free cloth, our favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, then you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol, it'll work just as well. The biggest tip I can give you is to always make sure you apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Never apply your cleaner to the glass. You run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass and can cause a lot of problems. So please always apply your cleaner to your cloth and then use that cloth to clean the glass. So like I said, most of our problems were happening when we're using the top document feeder. So we want to focus on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So we'll just go ahead and give it a good wipe down. And you're kind of focusing, looking for any kind of ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that is really common to find kind of getting left behind on the scanner glass. We just want to make sure it's all clean, we don't see anything visually wrong with it. And sometimes you have to go over it more than once. So just after you clean it once, wipe it off, look at it, see if you see anything else, wipe it off again if you need to. Once you're happy with the way it looks, then I'll probably call it good. While we're here though, I recommend going and cleaning, at least wiping off the flatbed scanner. Just because it's really common for them to get fingerprints and smudges, things like that, and it only takes a second to wipe it off. Okay, so I don't see anything visually wrong with it anymore, so what I'll do is close the scanner, and then I'll run a couple extra copies or scans through the printer, make sure that there's no more blemishes or lines showing up. If they are, they're probably really faint at this point, and that just indicates that you got most of the spots off. Maybe they're just getting harder to see, but they're still there. Just clean the glass one more time and that should take care of it. And other than that, you should be back up and printing.